Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video we will see how to enter into the boot mode of the BQ8050, reading the boot file, entering into the boot mode, changing the cycle count, changing the full charge capacity. Of course I am using the Linux here because the CP2112 will work with the corrosive software on the Linux platform. The DJ battery killer software is used to read and write the ROM file, the Linux file. You can download from my link. I am using the VMware here. So the Windows will not support the CP2112 on the corrosive software, but the Linux it is actually possible. A huge thanks to all of my subscribers. Thanks for watching this video. Love and respect. So the BQ8050 chipset is actually using a complex algorithm to enter into the boot mode. I don't know the right way enter in the boot mode. It will take some time to enter, actually more than 1 hour. It will take the process to complete, but with the professional tools it is very easy, like the NLBA tool, the UBRT, I don't know the BU2 works this chip, so you can check. And with this tool or with this script I am using on the Linux, it will take more than 1 hour. So I am using the VMware here, using the Kali Linux. We can download the VMware file from the Kali Linux website. There is a direct file, so you don't need to install the Kali Linux. You can save the time. I just got into the boot mode in 30 to 40 minutes. First time I am getting into the 5 minutes, second time it's 30 minutes, and in the third time it is 10 minutes. So I don't know the correct value entering into the register 71. That is the confusion here, because the 73 value is changing from time to time. And from this the corrosive website I got the link. You can see this is another person. He used the same source file, but he added the support to the CP2112. A huge thanks to this person, whoever it is. He created nice work here, and you can see the installation method here. But on the Linux it will take some time to install. I think it for me I took 2 to 3 hours to understand what is the Linux and how it will work. For me Linux is a new thing to me. I only learned the Linux in the school time, but now I am using the Windows here. So the Linux it will take some time. You need to learn, you need to understand the error and check it on the Google. You will get the answers. I will share the executable files for the Linux. I don't know it will work or not, but it will take some time. Definitely I will share the script file. You can actually find it the Windows file in that link. So here you can see I'm just using the normal SMSB the software to and checking the software is working or not by using some commands. I am using the SMSB scan here. The chip responded, and you can see some values here. So you can see the manufacturer data, you can see the manufacturer date, the something like that. But there is no cell voltage because the chip is not responding properly. I think some SPS data is missing. Maybe the SPS version is different from the other than using this in this software. This is for this. This is only using the first version. So from this on, you can try to write the data values, or you can actually read the each register by a command by using the SBS com. SMSB com. First I'm trying to read the register 0, so you need to call the address as 16. You need to define the what to say, the byte length here. I think it's a word, so R2. I don't know if it's a byte length, or leave it minus half hyphen R2, it will read. and if I reading the cycle count, the 70 register, you will get the answer 0102. It means in the decimal value it will be like 450. Yes, 450. So the chip is working, the CP2112 is properly communicating with the chip. This is what we need. Now we can run our script without any delay. So this is the post which I got the idea into a script. There is this person already write a script for the Windows. If you have the FX12P, you can write this script. For the first, we need to send the 0214 for the 71 register, like the BQ8030. It's a symbol. It's a same process here. So it is the value is successfully completed. You can see it is saying okay. Now we need to read the data from the 74 just to make sure it is actually showing. It's a word file, so minus R2 hyphen R2. So you can see it is 0603, I think, and this value is constant. It will not change. But from the 73, you can see the value is changing from time to time. This is the confusing part. We don't know. I don't know how to enter the proper way into the boot mode. So we need to run a script with the help of the ChatGPT. I created a script file for the Linux. It will run continuously. A guess value will enter into the 71. If the value properly inserted in the 71, the chip will go into the boot mode. Just wait. So now we are in. It means the chip is not accepting any guess values. The chip is in the boot mode. We cannot dump the data by using the same Linux software because there is some kind of problem with the code. I am directly using the DJ battery killer to read and write the EEPROM file. So you need to disconnect it from the CP2112 from the Linux environment. Otherwise it will not work on the Windows, or just disconnect it from the USB port and reinsert. So I am disconnecting the CP2112 from the Linux. Now open the DJ battery killer. Okay, now connect the CP2112. Choose the BQ8050. Go to the firmware. You can click on the direct read EEPROM. We don't need to untick the boot mode check. We will get the hex file here. We can use the any hex for maintaining software to read the data. I'm using the HXD. The HXD will automatically make a backup before any changes happen. So while reading some values, you can actually read the firmware. Just make a backup. It will give us a safety. If anything happen to the chip, we can just re-upload the firmware, also the EEPROM. I don't know if it is possible, but there is a hope. Okay, now just read the firmware. It will take some time. That software will hang a moment, but it will read the data completely. It took some time to read the data, but showed some error. I don't know why. I'm just directly going and editing the value. The 450, the 600 register, I'm just changing the value. Also the 494, because the full charge capacity is only 494. The decimal value for 450, okay, for 5000 is 1194. I need to enter the value 1194 here. Just save, close. Do I need to change the value on the 500? Only the 600 is needed. I don't know actually. Okay, click on the right EEPROM. Just load your previous file where you have saved. It will start to write. At a moment it will stuck. Don't worry, it will complete the process. And just exit from the boot mode and read info. At a moment I just bricked the chip. I don't know, but somehow I recovered it. Okay, now go to the command 08. Don't click on the exit boot, click on the 08 send command. Now you can see the charging current, the charging voltages came back. Wow, but it will go because the fuse is dead. So the other things are working. The MOSFET is also working. The PF flag is only remaining is the fuse. Because of the fuse, the PF flag is there. That's great. So if we listen capacity is changed, cycle count is 0, the full charge capacity is also changed to 4500. We can compare the values here. Okay, that is the way enter into the boot mode of the 8050. You can see the charging current and the charging voltage is gone because of the fuse is dead. We need to change the fuse, then only we can recover the battery board. But it's just a demonstrating video, so you know. Just trying something. Okay, showing the values. Everything is showing. The boot mode will not going to work because we need another algorithm for this chip. So the 710214, again going into the boot mode, you need to do the procedure. That's it. You can see the values are changing. 74 constant, where other values are changing. If we enter the 70 051217, it will not going to enter. So which value is for the 71? That is the confusion. So this is how I edited the values. We can come back for another great session, the BQ9000. Thanks for watching this video. We will see again.